All right, we are back with another one today in the Model 3 with another software update off of the spring release branches. This one is 2025.14.8, and we have just come from 2025.14.6 before that, and then 2025.14.1 prior to that, with all of those new features being released. Unlike 2025.14.6, there is no update to FSD beta on here, or FSD supervised, whatever you want to call it. This truly is just a minor bug fix update. Now, having said that, I am glad to see this coming out because I hope this isn't just me. I need you guys to comment down below and let us know. We are getting some ridiculously bad battery drain issue when Sentry mode is activated. If it got triggered, it's having false triggers, and we are just draining battery life. So hopefully that is fixed on this build here. When you actually go down and go under software, you can see this build has a complete build number of 2025.14.8 04D131F91A84. Again, same FSD supervised version of 13.2.9. And I did just jump around. As you can see, there's no indicator dots signaling anything is new. I'm not assuming we're going to see anything new here, but we can take a quick look and glance. But yeah, for the most part, this is truly just a back-end update to fix some of the known issues that Tesla did find. Again, I'm happy to see that. We haven't really experienced too many issues aside from the Sentry mode one and one other that I do want to talk about here in a minute, which is kind of weird. So the other one, as you can see first, there's no other indicator dots here. Nothing else is new. Avoid highways came out on a prior update, not this one specifically. So yeah. One other issue I'm experiencing is whether you do a power reset in your vehicle or just, get out of the vehicle and come back, it keeps trying to navigate to a specific point that I have never programmed in this GPS or in the navigation system. If I want to go and say, just get in the car and go to a new location, every time I have to cancel the navigation that pops up already from an existing trip I took a while ago. It doesn't clear out. It always thinks that I want to do the same trip. I'm not sure why that is or what's causing it, but the craziest part is that not only is this happening here in our Model 3, but it's also doing the same in Cybertruck. So it's still trying to take us to the same location. I have no idea how to clear it. I'm going to have to talk to Tesla service and see if they can remotely do it or something, but any of the tricks really that we know, the double scroll button reset, the harder power reset with the brake, all of these are not working. So it's very interesting. Not sure why that is. Have you guys ever experienced that? Let me know down below if you guys can help there also. But aside from that, again, we're not going to drag this video out. There's not too much else here in this build. It is truly just bug fixes and performance improvements. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll be back in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.